just found. Costs go boom like bad designs, profits barely crawl. Quality's a punchline and the joke is on us all. There is no construction industry, just sweaty hands and misery. While 2.0 and 3 flew by, 4.0's laughing in the sky. We build slow, we love the pain, like progress flushed right down the drain. There is no construction industry. Industry 2 said mass-produced steel and iron strong. We said nah, let's keep doing everything painfully wrong. 3 came with computers, lasers, robots, brains. We kept our dusty drawings and our manual aches and pains. Costs go boom like bad designs, profits barely crawl. Innovation screaming, we just ghost the future's call. There is no construction industry, just sweaty hands and misery. While 2.0 and 3 flew by, 4.0's laughing in the sky. We build slow, we love the pain, like progress flushed right down the drain. There is no construction industry. Architects say we draw the house trapped in silo walls. We could make them heroes, but tradition always stalls. Building owners think they know their building's full of pride, but without George the handyman, the houses would just die. There is no construction industry, let's blow it up, reboot the scene. Industry 4 is screaming loud, join the future, drop